Hi everyone, it's Kerry. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to those of you who are new here. Today I am going to give a review of Roccabox, their February box. As if you've been watching me for some time, you'll know that Roccabox is my favourite subscription box for beauty. It's probably going to be the one that I only do every month. Well, should I rephrase that? It will probably be the only beauty box that I will regularly feature on my channel every month. I've recently stopped getting Look Fantastic and Glossy Box. I've also stopped my Fab Fit Fun. The only other subscription box that I currently now receive is my Teddy Eva Scents, which is a wax melts box, which again, absolutely brilliant. Check them out. They are amazing. They're really funny. Anyway, on to today's one. This Roccabox, as you can see, is completely sealed. I have not opened, but I will do now. But I can hear there is something liquid in here, if you listen. So they have the same design box every month. This one is actually quite heavy. Very intriguing. Let's have a look. So I'll open it up in front of you here. So this is what we get. So you normally get your card telling you what's in there and the prices of them all. So let's have a quick look at this month's even. Right, so this is what was making the noise. Oh, it's a drink. Light rose lemonade. Very nice. So this is 250 mils. Yeah, Rose Lemonade Light has been created by adopting the same botanical brewing method Fentimans used to make their original rose lemonade, and includes rose oil from the famous Rose Valley in Kazanlak, Bulgaria. Don't know whether I'm saying that right or not, but there we go. The new recipe for the Fentimans light soft drink range contains no artificial sweeteners, and each drink contains less than 60 calories per bottle. Same great taste, but now with fewer calories. So normally this would cost £1 a bottle. So that is from Fentimans. So I will link in the description their website, which is www.fentimans.com. And let's have a look now. Oh man, I love this stuff. So this is Super Duper body butter. This is the shea butter one for dry skin. It retails at £3.99. I do have some of their vanilla body shower cream, and that smell absolutely amazing. I love that, and it was a perfect trial size, so for when we're able to go traveling again, I will definitely take that because I've got two of them. Oh man, this smells exactly the same. So this is the body butter. It's a real vanilla, slight sweet vanilla smell, and it smells divine. I absolutely love their products. It's a nice little treat for me, so definitely up for that. And we have a Project Lip. What does it say about this? If it says anything. Oh, okay, so this is their Project Lip Plump and Colour. So I think this is their hero product. I've already got some lipstick on, so I can't show you what it is at the moment. So it says, if sexy lips are your goal, then forget red and forget gloss. The former is too obvious and the latter is too, well, let's just say gloss gets messy. That is very true. I don't tend to wear a lot of gloss because my hair gets stuck in it. And apologies for the hair. This is the Au Naturel look today. I didn't bother drying it last night, and actually I'm not going to apologise because I'm quite liking this today, so that's fine. So yes, this is supposed to plump and colour, so let's have a look. So Project Lip, let's have a look at the applicator. Okay, doesn't screw off, it comes up. So that's quite a nice colour. Have a look and do a test on the hand. Yeah, so quite a nice sheer natural colour there. So I shall look forward to trying that one out on my lips properly. What else do we have? Oh, okay, a perfume oil from Farin Amber. So let's see. Chic packaging comes together with natural plant-based oils, essential oils in this clutch bag. Essential handy oil rolls on roll-on delivers a rich, earthy and seriously sexy aroma. Think woody cedar, decadent vanilla and hints of floral jasmine via nourishing plant oils. Don't leave your date without it. I think that is referring to Valentine's Day. But I am not a huge fan of woody smells, but I do like vanilla and I do like jasmine, so yeah, you definitely get that, that whoosh of the woody bit, and then you get the vanilla and the jasmine that comes after. So yeah, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. So that retails at £18. I forgot to say actually that this retails at £14. Did I miss anything out? Oh yes, and the soap and body butter, sorry, the body butter is at £3.99. And then we have a no needle fix eye sheet mask. So from Nip+Fab, which you know I love Nip+Fab products. This retails at £6. This is a great date night prep product. This eye mask is rich in hyaluronic acid, which hydrates, plumps up and irons out wrinkles around your eye contour. I need that right now. I need this in my life right now. Meanwhile, its unique hydrogel texture depuffs, cools and relaxes you, perfect for settling pre-date nerves. Look at this temporary needle-free fix for fine lines and puffiness. Excellent. That's what I like. Do we have, oh, we do have another product in here, which looks to be the last one. So this is a Crabtree and Evelyn product. We've had these a few times in here, Crabtree and Evelyn the brand anyway. So it's a such soft touch face foam. So it's a gel to foam cleanser. It's petal soft, super hydrating, gentle yet effective, and has a scrumptious, delicate scent. It will leave your skin seriously soft to the touch and smelling edible. Cue it being the perfect product for a pre-date cleanse. So this normally retails at £4. There we go. Let's give it a whiff. Could just about smell that. It's got the thing on here, so let's pull that off. Yeah, it kind of smells soapy and florally, but not like horrible soapy, but hot soap and florally, shall we say. Anyways, that is it for this Birchbox, not Birchbox. This is it. This is Roccabox Kerry. Get it right. So that's it for this Roccabox for February's. I hope you have enjoyed it. I will certainly look forward to testing out these products. I think I will have this with my dinner tonight, and I'm looking forward to it. So I hope you have liked this. If you have, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.